Samsung's high-end Galaxy A series smartphone for 2021, the Galaxy A82, is going to be official soon. Samsung could rebrand it as the Galaxy Quantum 2, but just for the South Korean market. First, the phone's box and designs were leaked. Now the complete specs of the upcoming device have leaked. Now, according to Fronton, the Galaxy Quantum 2 or A82 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Full HD Plus resolution. Yes, no more full screen, but 120Hz refresh rate support is there. 800 nits of peak brightness and curved edges as well. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner, obviously IP67 certification for dust and water resistance. And in terms of audio, we might see Dolby Atmos audio. The upcoming smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor as leaked via Google Play Console listing a few days ago. It also features 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage and a microSD card slot. Android 11 out of the box, and I think that's usual. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A82 features a triple camera setup at the rear, featuring a 64MP primary camera with OIS. Now, for improved security, the South Korean SK Telecom version of the phone could feature a Q Energy chip. The smartphone is rumored to feature Samsung Pay with MST, and the phone will come with a 15-watt charger in the box. That's great. But the phone supports 25-watt fast charging. The box reportedly includes a case and a wired earphones as well. The Galaxy Quantum 2 is expected to go on pre-order in Korea on April 13th and could be launched on April 23rd. There may be some pre-order gifts as well, like Galaxy Buds Live and a clear case. If it is not interesting, then here is this. New leaks talks about different Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 2's display sizes. I got a news few days back that Fold 3 will feature a 5.4-inch outer display, and it's a stupid news. The latest bits of information don't seem to agree with the data shared previously. According to the latest report, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be equipped with a 7.55-inch foldable display and a 6.2-inch cover display. And this should sound very familiar because of the similarities to the one found in the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now, as for the Flip 2, it will reportedly retain the 6.7-inch main display, but it will boast a larger 1.83-inch cover display. Now, that was a huge complaint on the first-gen Flip phone. Now, the display is not too large to be a replacement for a small smartphone display, but it would be a step in the right direction at the very least. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip seems to be generating some rather conflicting display-related reports, and it is not the first time it's happening. Again, I don't think Samsung will want to downgrade the Galaxy Z Fold 3's cover display, but then again, keep in mind the Z Fold 3 will feature a slot to store the S Pen according to some rumors, so there is no telling how the Galaxy Z Fold 3's design will change. Now, what will happen to the bigger cover display on the Flip? More leaks will clear that. Subscribe for that, I will let you know. Now, talking about displays, Samsung Display enters into another 7-year partnership with Corning. Following a successful collaboration that lasted 7 years, Samsung Display and Corning have now announced that they will be entering into another partnership for the next 7 years. As part of the new partnership, Samsung Display will maintain its ownership stake in Corning until 2028 at the least, and the company will convert all of its preferred shares into 115 common shares. So as a consumer, we can expect more innovative display tech coming out of this partnership, like ultra-thin glass for foldable. And talking about partnerships, even though Qualcomm may be one of the biggest supplier of mobile chipset, it's entirely dependent on third-party manufacturers, Samsung and TSMC. Qualcomm's high-end chipset manufactured in the past by Samsung and TSMC. It chose TSMC for the 2019 and 2020 chips, but then Samsung for the Snapdragon 888. Now, it was reported last month that Qualcomm will choose Samsung for 2022 as well, but despite all this rumor, it may switch back to TSMC. Now, TSMC has agreed to manufacture a batch of high-end 5G chipset for Qualcomm on priority, but what chips? We don't know. But do you know Samsung reportedly co-developing a 5nm processor for the Google Pixel 6? Click on the cards to check out that video. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.